Hello, I am Nahida and welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a super easy and delicious Suji Milk Cake dessert. A perfect sweet treat for any occasion. You only need a few ingredients and it's ready in no time. Let's get started. First, in a pan, take 1/4 cup of ghee and let it melt on low heat. Now add 1 cup Suji or Semolina and start roasting it. It will take about 10 to 12 minutes. Roast until it turns into a light golden color and release a sweet aroma. Roasting Suji properly gives it a rich nutty flavor that makes dessert even more delicious. Roast Suji on low heat to avoid burning and get the best flavor. Once done, take it off the heat and keep it aside. Now preparing the sugar syrup. Now in a pan, add half cup sugar and 1 cup water. Let it boil until the sugar dissolves completely. Once the syrup is ready, add 1/4 cup milk powder and half teaspoon cardamom powder. Stir well to mix. Traditionally, milk cakes are made with condensed milk, but this version is much more easier and lighter. Now add the roasted Suji into the syrup and mix well. Want a softer texture? Add 1 tablespoon fresh cream or a little extra ghee while cooking. Keep stirring and cook until the mixture thickens and start to separate from the pan. Once done, pour the mixture into a grease mold or tray lined with baking paper. Spread it evenly and let it rest for 2 hours so that it sets properly. Let it rest properly before cutting to get clean and smooth slices. Want more quick and easy dessert recipe? Hit the subscribe button and stay tuned. Once set, cut it into your desired shapes and enjoy your delicious Suji milk cake. Try this simple Suji milk cake today and share your experience in the comments. And that's it, your Suji milk cake is ready. Soft, flavorful and super easy to make. Serve it as a snack or for special occasion. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Oven Cake and Cookies.